Tag, mein Name ist Carol Ann. Ich bin in Amerika. Wow. You know, my suitcase is empty. We should try and see if you fit in there. Ah. Hey.
So Carol Ann and I went shopping in an American store. Let's compare the type of groceries we bought. So here are just a few of the things I bought. You know, a little espresso, you know, some broccoli, kielbasa, strawberries, bananas, you know, some shredded wheat cereal. Let's look at what she got. Twinkies, Reese's Minis, some cinnamon bagels, and all the sweetest cereal that you can't find in Europe. And not some knockoff Cheesy Puff Cheetos.
Was ich gekauft habe. Ich muss dir mal ein Bild schicken. Hi!
What do you have to say for yourself?
Well, I just had the most amazing shopping experience in an American Aldi. And I just went mad in the cereal section. Look at that. I'm not sure if I like it, but, well, I'll have to give it a go, I guess. And I've always wanted to try those Twinkies. Everyone's raving about them. And I bought some Twinkies. Don't they look amazing? Your Aldi is so different from the one back home. Everything is big and sweet and sugary. I'm gonna get fat in America.
So what do we have here?
We've got fruit rounds. I actually wanted to get those ones because usually they had artificial flavors and synthetic colors and preservatives.
Excited to try some fake Fruit Loops?
Yes. Good.
What do they taste like?
A few flavors going on in my bowl. Like, I could taste some orange. And there's some cherry going on as well. Apparently natural fruit flavors. This is lekker. Next one is marshmallows and stars.
What is this a knockoff of?
I don't know, since I don't know any cereals which contain marshmallows. So.
Lucky Charms.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I'm intrigued by the colors of the marshmallows. Oh shoot. I'm gonna try one first. Wow, that's sweet. I like it. Actually good on there, aren't you? Nice. I seriously love them. Lecker. Das schmeckt richtig gut. Here we are again. It's cereal time again. We've got cocoa peanut butter pops. Oh, I can smell the peanut butter. It smells like Snickers cereals, which is good. Which is very good. Look at it. Let's try it first without milk. Very crunchy. Oh, that's actually nice. I expect it to be very sweet, but but the peanut butter one is quite sweet, but it's nice. Almond milk. I think those are the best so far. Better than Lucky Charms, to be honest. Although, that's a tough decision. I really love Lucky Charms. Thumbs up for peanut butter puffs. I wish I could have had that as a kid. Next one, Cinnamon Crunch Squares. Squares. Sprinkled with cinnamon and sugar. This is how it looks like. It's actually cereal smothered with cinnamon and sugar. I can't actually smell it yet. It's nice. It's actually not too full on like the other series I've tried so far. It's got a subtle cinnamon taste to it. Texture's great. Nice and crunchy. I would give it a thumbs up.
Which one's your favorite?
Oh, peanut butter puffs or Lucky Charms?
You gotta choose one.
Well, Lucky Charms. These are Twinkies. I've always wanted to try that. I've seen it on TV, on American TV series. While being in America, get myself some Twinkies. It smells good. And you know what? It's really spongy. It's really soft. Bite it or break it. Bite it. I love the texture.
You really like that thing?
It's kind of filled with what is it? A creamy filling, kind of vanilla. It's very fluffy, very sweet. But it's not bad. I really love the texture of it. It's nice and soft and creamy. Good. I can understand why people binge on these things. They just make you eat the whole pack. We've got peanut butter cups, minis, and I'm quite excited. I love peanut butter. Oh my god, it's so sweet. Wow. Right, too sweet for my taste. Oh. Nah.
Too sweet?
Too sweet. It doesn't taste peanut buttery enough. I was expecting more peanut butter flavor. They're just actually incredibly sweet. Sweetness is overwhelming. Oh well, at least I tried them.
So quick side note, since Carrie's been trying a bunch of American stuff, got her a little gift. Topsy's popcorn. Tell me your thoughts on the...
Oh, Mike's been very sweet. He's got me popcorn from Topsy's. These here, caramel and cinnamon. Alone they're delicious, but to get all together, they're the best ever. I reckon.
What is America run?
America runs on Dunkin. True story. I'm gonna demolish that double chocolate donut now. Look at that. That looks amazing.
Looks like what America runs on.
Dunkin. My last donut in America. My first and last donut in America, actually, huh? Good. That's nice.
Chocolate one next to the shamrock. No, on this side, right?
See, you're packing over here.
I am packing. What kind of treasures I found?
All these snacks.
All these snacks.
This is your check.
Yeah. Most of it.
What do you have to say for yourself?
I think
Because Yuna's definitely judging you.
she is. Well, she's not supposed to judge. She's gonna go into that suitcase as well. I'm just gonna throw all the tennis balls I can find in there and lure her in. I guess we'll figure something out. We've got a few options still.
Anything to say to the people
It's been a great stay so far in America.
so far? It's over.
It's almost over, and I really enjoyed it. So, thanks for everything.
You too, Carrie.
I'm grateful.
You too.
I'm great time with you.
Absolutely. Now
See you
you
next-
hurry back, alright?
Yeah, okay.
Alright, I'm over here in Aldi's in Germany, and this is the American section right here. Ain't none of this. Not one damn thing in here is American. What is that? I don't even know what that is. Marshall? This ain't s'mores. What is this?
Well, they're pancakes.
That is not. You need to fix this.
We should try it out.
This actually does look like American mustard.
Peanuts and flakes.
We don't eat peanuts and flakes. What is that? Pre-packaged pancakes.
No?
What is this?
Ooh, this is ketchup and mustard in one.
We don't do that.
They look like those Reese's.
This is the closest it gets right here. Look, it's bucketed popcorn. We do have that. Oh, look, hot dogs, right? Okay, cool. We do not bottle and jar our hot dogs, alright? That is a sin.
What is wrong with that?
Everything. You kidding me?
I grew up eating hot dogs in jars.
That's disgusting.
No, I don't think
Yes,
so.
it is.
Yes, hot dogs are disgusting.
No, you need a fresh barbecue grilled
Let's
hot
talk
dog.
about mini apple pies, okay?
We don't do anything mini, alright?
This looks like
This
English.
is a sin. I'm sick of
Mini.
this. Throw this away.